Gold, silver, crude oil, and net gas traded in a very narrow range throughout the day. Neither the bulls nor the bears were active in either of these commodities. Now, what to expect with the US session? Can we expect a rise or there is a further fall? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading the metals, gold and silver, crude oil and net gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. The inventory data coming in from US for crude oil may impact the crude oil prices, and then later in the day the FOMC minutes definitely will have an impact on the metals prices. So how to profit from this movement, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who it was the first update must have already been in profit or have identified the proper profit zone. The subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon to get the notifications, like, share and comment, which is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver, then crude oil and Indian net gas. Gold on the hourly charts, you can see after this big rise, it has erased all the gains. It has come towards the support zone at 2500, then a retracement towards 2520, and it is now delivering higher lows towards 2505 and finding a good support. If you connect the dots, you will find this is a consolidation zone and the resistance at 2520 being the strongest here. Any move beyond 2520 is a good sign that the bulls will be active, but now it is at a distance from the current level. So possibly if you see it is staying above 2512, you can initiate a buying entry. Expect 2516 and 2520 as the next two resistances. Beyond 2520 we can expect a strong bullish move. If you look at the hourly charts for now, the moving averages have started but not yet entered into a sell side. Stochastic oversold here. MACD extremely bearish, trying to converge a bit. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to two, if you look at 2 hour charts, a similar formation here, drop, retracement, drop. And yes, do not forget higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen. Zone of consolidation, it has to come out. Right now on the upside, the 20 period moving average giving it a little resistance. Preceding candle comes with a tail and a greener closer here. The current candle can also replicate the same. Thus, it can try to retrace further. It can try to keep moving towards 25.15. But only bullishness in gold is if it trades about 25.20 levels. Very, very clear here. And if you look at right now on the downside, the support levels are also very strong. As we have discussed in the first update, only bearishness in gold is if it trades below 2500 and 2494 levels. The stochastic has hit a bottom. MACD is trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3 hour. Likewise, on the 3 hour chart, so what is happening so far is the price is taking support from the 20 period moving average. That is very, very important. It is finding a very good support here at the 20 period moving average. We have to wait for one of the candles to close below the 20 period moving average. That will confirm the bearishness here. And looking at the preceding candle was a swing candle here. It has closed at an indecision point, and the current candle started on a bearish note. It can show you swings as well. And specifically, if it trades beyond 2512, you can expect slight bullishness. But again, as I said, it has to break beyond 2520 in order to confirm complete reversal. Else, what is happening? It is trading right now in this bullish channel. It has to break this zone on the upside about 2520. On the downside till 2500, we have extremely good support here for gold. The stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. This is an important point as it might try to deliver a good wave here, but it does not mean that it cannot move upwards. It has not much of a scope available on the upside. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 4 on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. The median of the Bollinger Bands being a good support so far. And if you look at the formation here, see higher lows, lower highs. Consolidation is going on. It has to come out of this consolidation zone. Yes, on the sell side, I will recommend a sell at 2504, but then 2500, 2500. 2494, very, very good support here. First support zone should be at 2500 levels plus minus 2, and then second one is also very closer towards 2494. If it breaks this zone, you can say now it is turning bearish and we can look forward to the next move towards 2485, 86, and below that more bearishness will prevail, and then it could erase all the gains till here. Right now the movement is not very much supportive for the bears here. The stochastic has dropped as well. Look at the MACD crossing over here at the top, just couple of candles away from the crossover point. It appears there is not much of a scope on the downside, and the current candle is very going to be important because see, look at the last 3 to 4 times whenever it has crossed over, we have seen a good erosion of price here. Yes, it has traded bearish for a while after this crossover, and now this is crossing over for the 4th time from a double top level. So possibility of a retracement exists. RSI has dropped as well. Coming today, Look at daily charts. What has happened here? Higher lows are seen. See, after a bit of retracement, yesterday was the first bullish candle. Only consideration here was the body size was less than half of the complete move, which suggests that the bulls were not very much active here in keeping the prices elevated. Today, what has happened so far? It has delivered higher lows. It could reverse again and deliver a good bullish candle, and 25, 30, 32 can be breached, because see, once it breaches on the upside, the bulls will take over completely and a stronger bullish candle can prevail. Be watchful of this. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is also divergent, bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is also near to top. Consider, before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the levels, trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram, where we trade diverse instruments, including multiple indices and. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, considering the move here, you can buy here at 25.12, but then be careful at around 25.15, 16, 25, 20, 21. If this breaks these two levels, I will expect it to keep moving towards 25.30 levels here. 25.30, 32 should be a greater resistance today. If it breaks 25.30, 32, stay bullish. We are looking forward to a stronger move on the upside towards 25.40 and 25.50 levels. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend now is at 25.04 levels, below which you can expect it to keep moving towards 2500, and 2500 plus minus 2 is going to be the strongest support here for the day, below which it might turn bearish, and then you can look forward to 24.94.95. And then if it breaks this zone, we are looking forward to a good drop towards 24.88, 84. Below 24.84 is where the bears are waiting towards 24.78, 24.60 levels. Chances of which appears to be less, but yes, these are markets. Take your trades accordingly. Now, yes, we had already seen about the buy side. Now let's have a look at. See, for silver so far the day, the movement is muted. We have seen it is struggling to break below 29.40, and on the upside 29.60 appears to be a wall. Recently tried to move above 29.60, but failing to do so. It has come down again, and this zone is definitely critical between 29.40 to 29.60. Earlier in the day also I have mentioned. Now again I am repeating this fact. So once you see the lower prices above 29.60, stay bullish. You can buy here and expect it to keep moving towards 29.80 to $30 levels. In fact, higher prices are also. At the same time, remember one point, that after the drop, it is retracing, and a break below 29.40 and 29.20 is a sign of a crash here. So yes, you have to look both the possibilities here, whichever direction it gives a breakout. Specifically below 29.20 is where the crash should begin, where we can expect a stronger bearish momentum towards 28.80. Chances for which appears to be less today. Stochastic rising, the MACD is traded bearish. It is trying to converge. It could possibly cross over. RSI flat. Coming to 2 hour charts, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see, finding the support from the 20 period moving average. Now 29.40 is going to remain one prime support, breaking below which we can expect it to trade bearish, and specifically below 29.20 it is going to turn extremely bearish. Yes, after the drop it is consolidating and trading in this retracement channel. Wait for it to break out beyond 29.60 in order to confirm the bullish reversal. Stochastic at top, MACD trading bearish here, divergent and looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, very simple. See what is happening after the drop. See, it has shown good swings here. See, the preceding candle completed the span between 29.40 to 29.16, one single candle, and now it is waiting for a breakout. So once this candle moves above 29.60, once you see the lower prices above, rather take a cushion of 5 pips again. 29.65, if you see the price is trading above, stay bullish. We can look forward to a move towards 29.80, which is going to be a first milestone, and any move above 29.80 is a sign of reversal. It is trading in this bullish channel beyond 29.80. This time we can look forward to 30 and 30.25 levels here. Stochastic rising, the MACD here has crossed over at the top. It is trading with divergence and staying bearish. This is one concerning point for us, because see, rise retracement, and it does not mean that it cannot converge crossover. But remember, this bearish cross is coming after a bit of bullish movement, so possibility of a down move exists more. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 4 on the 4 hour chart, similar observation here, higher lows here, and a breakout on the upside about 2960 should bring more bullish momentum towards 2980 possibly. Yes, we have to wait for it to give a breakout in order to confirm a reversal here. It is right now trading bullish for sure, because see, on the downside we have seen it getting very strong support, while at the same time do not miss this point that any drop below 2940 and 2920 should be a sign of where a stronger crash can be expected. Stochastic rising, the MACD crossing over here for sell, bearish sign it is. RSI trading near to the top, coming to the daily. On the daily chart, see what has happened. Yesterday was a swing candle. We have seen it closing at the doji. Today, what has happened? It has started with higher lows here. Yes, it has respected the higher lows levels here, and it has been considering this. It appears that we may see a good bullish candle, which can in fact keep moving towards, or which can in fact take the prices towards higher highs, which means it can try to breach beyond 30, where 3025, 3050 levels are also possible. A candle bigger than this is also you can expect. If it trades about 2980, certainly the bullish momentum will be very strong there, and any move beyond 30 is definitely a sign that the bulls are in. Yes, it is trading bullish on the upside. It is trading in a bullish channel. Stochastic though is overbought, but the MACD crossing over here at the bottom, looking upwards, suggests there is lot much of room on the upside. RSI rising as well. Considering this, very simple, buy 2965. When you see the lower price is about 2965, initiate a buying entry. Expect 2980, $30 levels as the next targets. Beyond 30, we are looking forward to extremely bullish move towards 3025, 3050. And in fact, higher levels are also possible, which can take the prices towards 31. On the downside, a selling entry is at 2940. When you see the higher price below 2940, take a selling entry here. Expect it to move towards 2930, 2920 zone. Very strong support, extremely strong support till 2920. If it breaks below 2920, stay short. We can look forward to a stronger drop, taking it till towards 29 or in fact 2880 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at now. See, crude oil today, if you look at the formation here, the drop, it has found its support, retracement, then the drop, it has found its support. Now it is what has happened earlier, it is moved towards 73.6 levels and it is reversed. See, earlier in the day I have mentioned why 73.6 is a greater resistance. Now again, this is proving out to be a great resistance. Also, it is finding a very good support at 72.8. So unless and until it trades below 72.8, I will not recommend you to sell, and possibility of it breaking on the upside exists strong, where the prices can keep moving towards 74 and higher levels. Yes, after dropping here, it has formed a very good base at 72.8, 73 levels. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also rising, the RSI is flat. Coming to 2 on the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. See, this current candle forming a double bottom suggests that the prices might keep moving upwards. As long as now 73, 72.8 levels are not taken, we should not be thinking of a sell. Possibility of a rise exists here. Specifically with the inventory data coming in later in the day, we can see a stronger reversal, stronger bounce back. How far it can rise? It can keep moving towards 75, 76 zone, which is definitely going to remain a stronger resistance zone. Stochastic rising, MACD is rising, divergent and bullish, RSI is rising as well. On the 3-hour charts, the observation is similar. Yes, it has formed a reversal sign. After the reversal, it is delivering higher highs. Possibility of price moving towards 73.8, 74 exists. At 74, we will see how it behaves if it moves towards, and beyond 74 is where little bullishness will prevail. Right now I can see it is struggling to show some bullish intent. Stochastic rising from oversold, MACD crossing over here at the bottom, trading with little divergence, suggestive of slight bullishness. RSI flat at bottom. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation here. See, one stronger candle, then a retracement, finding its support. One again a bounce back candle and a swing candle, finding its support here at 72.8, which has become a very good support here. And now with that, the second candle has appeared. Possibly this could keep moving upward. This could take the prices higher, and thus in fact, even if you see it is staying above 73.4, the lower price above 73.4, buy here, expect 73.6, and then in fact 74 levels will appear very soon. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI is flat at bottom. Coming to on the daily chart, similar observation here. Yes, double bottom. And see, I have been observing that oil is staying in the zone here where you can see 78.6, 79.2 at the top, and the lows here at 72, and it is forming a double bottom here. Let's say if it is a double bottom or not, because see, it has to trade above 74, 75 zone in order to confirm this a reversal, and specifically above 76 in order to confirm that now oil is reversing and the next few candles are going to deliver a shape like this where it can keep moving towards 80 or 82. So today is going to be the day which is going to decide the direction which it is willing to take. Any drop below 72.8 and 72.4 should be a sign that, and yes, below 72.4 we can look forward to a stronger corrections towards 72, and this time if it breaks below 72 we are looking forward to a stronger drop here. Be mindful of this, though right now I am looking forward to a double bottom and a reversal and a move on the upside, but yes, these are markets. The stochastic oversold, MACD is also bearish, and RSI is almost flat at bottom. Considering this, buy at 73.4, sell at 72.8 for the 60 cents. Do not take a position on the upside. 73.6 should be a good resistance, beyond which you can look forward to a good move, which can in fact take the prices towards 74 and higher levels. Beyond 74 is where the real bulls will come in, taking it till towards 74.5 levels, and then 75 the next milestone. In fact, it can breach the 75 levels as well. On the, as long as 74.5 levels are not taken today, you should not be treating this as a reversal, and for the week 76 is the level which will confirm the reversal. On the down, I will recommend a sell at 72.8, below which you can expect 72.4, 72.5 first target, and at any point of time price is breaching below 72.4, 72.5 zone, you can say we can look forward to a similar size of candle, taking the prices towards 72 first target, 72, 71.8 second first target, then in fact 71.371 zone can also be seen if it breaks. On the downside, if it breaks the support here at 72, 72.4, we can look forward to a greater correction here. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas on the hourly charts. After hitting the high yesterday towards 2.38, the gains come towards 2.28, which has now become a support, and with that as support, it is trying to show a little rise, consolidation, again a rise. Once it stays about 2.35, 36 levels, you can say we are looking forward to 2.4 here. Possibility exists. Yes, it is trying to trade in this channel, but I will say it is still not bullish as long as 2.4 is not taken. We should not be treating this as bullish for the near term. Let's have a further look here. See, stochastic is rising, a good sign for the bulls. The MACD has also retraced. It is trying to converge. Crossover here can lead to bullishness. RSI is flat. Coming to 2 on the 2-hour chart, similar observation here, higher lows, higher highs. After the drop, it is trading in this retracement channel, and I will not say that it has turned bullish unless and until you see the price is about 2.35. That should be an ideal buying point for us, where the prices can keep moving towards 2.38, 2.4 zone. And right now the movement is bullish. The stochastic is flat here. It has recovered a bit. The MACD is slightly bearish after this crossover, but this is a retracement, and it could again crossover for the buys if it you see couple of greener candles from here. RSI comfortable. Coming to 3. Similar observation on the 3-hour chart. See, a support is seen from the 20 period moving average, but I can see the bulls are not very much interested in order to break 2.35. So just wait for it to stay above 2.35. That should be our ideal buying point. Stochastic at top, MACD flat, RSI flat. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation. After the drop here, it is just consolidating and strengthening its position with the support at 2.3, 2.28. I have mentioned earlier why 2.3, 2.28 is a greater support. With that as support, we can see a little rise here, but I will wait for 2.535 levels to be taken on the upside in order to confirm the bullish reversal. The stochastic rising, MACD flat, RSI flat. And if you look at the daily, very simple on the daily charts, preceding candle a swing candle, coming after a big bullish candle, current candle delivering higher lows suggests that it can keep moving towards higher highs. Possibility of 2.4 exists strong. Only consideration here is these two levels at 2.38. So once it breaks beyond 2.38, that is the point of time you can say now the bulls are back in action. So if you see today, net gas staying about 2.35, you can buy at 2.35, expected to keep moving towards 2.38, and if and only if it breaks beyond 2.38, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 2.4, 2.45 and 2.5 levels very soon. If not today, maybe tomorrow, yeah, or day after tomorrow. But yes, it can keep moving upwards beyond 2.4. More bullish momentum is going to be seen. On the downside, you should not forget that everything has an opposite view as well, and thus if you see it is staying below 2.3, yes, even if you see it is staying below 2.3, the higher price is below 2.3, take a selling entry. However, it is ideally below 2.28, where you can say the net gas is turning bearish. We can expect 2.2 for 2.25. Very good support here, and then 2.21 levels. As long as it respects 2.25 and 2.21, I will not say that it is turning bearish as well. Take your trades accordingly. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Like, share, subscribe. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries related to the services, join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker, the recommended broker link also is there in the channel and video description. Join it today and enjoy trading. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank